Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a crypto Com Visa card. First, download the crypto Com app and complete the necessary identity verification. This ensures your account is secure and compliant. Once verified, you'll need to fund your account. You can do this with various cryptocurrencies or traditional fiat currency. After funding, simply navigate to the card tab located within the app to begin the application process. Next, you'll choose your desired card tier. Crypto. Com offers several options, each with increasing benefits like higher cashback rates and lounge access. To unlock these perks, you'll need to stake a certain amount of CRO tokens. The amount of CRO required varies by tier, and it's typically staked for a period of 6 months. Make sure to review the specific requirements and rewards for each tier before making your selection. Once you've selected your tier and staked your CRO, you can proceed to order your physical card. The app will prompt you to confirm your shipping address and review all the card details. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your order. While you wait for your physical card to arrive in the mail, a virtual card will be immediately available within the app. You can use this virtual card for online purchases right away. Finally, it's time to start using your crypto Com Visa card. You can easily top up your card with either cryptocurrency or fiat currency directly from your app, making it ready for everyday spending. Enjoy the fantastic cashback rewards and other exclusive benefits that come with your chosen card tier. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals we've found for you. Happy spending!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.